First of all, what we have to write? We have to write the aim. What is the aim of today's practical? So, aim is what?
But if we have textbook open, then we
You have
can
to
write
write in
in
your
there.
fair book, beta.
Sir, but if we
Okay.
have some clear,
So beta. Also, so you have to write in your rough book compulsory. Yeah? So to show that saliva saliva going to be convert converts into starchy starchy food into sugar. So you have to write it with me this sentence, beta. Chalo. Okay, this is today's experiment, and so you have to note down this aim. All my dear students, do fast all. What I am going to be telling you. Okay, so note down this today's aim. What is today's aim? To show that saliva. What is the meaning of saliva? Anyone can know what is the meaning of saliva? Asarya, Fazil, Nayani, means Hassan, Aryan.
Sir,
Can you tell me?
sir, in Gujarati, saliva is lal.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Sonla Khan. Okay. Then what about other students? You have to give me the answer, beta. Okay. Very good. To show that saliva converts starchy food into means what we have to say in saliva this is a starchy and it starchy food into sugar. Okay, all my dear students, we have to check the things. Okay, into sugar to show that a saliva converts starchy food into sugar. How we did it identify? How we know? We have to identify during that practical. Okay, so first of all, note down the aim, all dear students. You have to write the aim. Start writing the aim. You started the writing aim.
Yeah, sir, we are getting over also.
Okay, beta, very good. What about other? Done all of you? Chalo, so we'll move on further.
Sir, my work
The
is done.
apparatus and okay,
but there,
very good, beta.
sir, my work is done.
Very good. Chalo, now I'm going to be. We have to write these further things. Apparatus and materials. So in apparatus and materials, which things we have to apply? Okay, so you have to note down with me the apparatus and materials. Proper, then after test tube. Okay, that both things only we needed. It's called a test tube, beta. Proper. Okay, these things we have to need in a where apparatus and material. And then after further is a substance. And I hope you all, my dear students, you know what is the meaning of substances. Okay, so you have to write it with me. Substance. Okay, do fast, all of you. So, okay, now note down the answer. First is what? Iodine solution. Iodine solution is the name of one chemical. Then after boiled rice. Then after chewed rice. Chewed rice. Okay. So this is a substance. So apparatus and materials. Who is going to be read? Yes, Hasan, better. Start the reading. Which apparatus we want in this experiment and which substance we want in this experiment. But yes, tell me, Nayani, Hassan, Hassan, are you there?
No, sir.
You are Hassan. Still, he doesn't. Fazil Nayan is the ID. Hassan Nayan, but can you tell me, Hassan? Yes, Hassan, tell me, beta. Chalo, start writing all my dears. Yes, Asadia, Zohair, start reading, beta.
Yes, sir. Apparatus and materials. Apparatus and materials. Rubber, test tube. Substance. Iodine solution. Boiled rice and chewed rice.
Okay, then after, very good. Yes, Fazil, beta, you do it, Asaria Fazil.
Yes, sir. Appendix
Start.
and materials. Dropping
Apparatus.
apparatus and materials. Dropping test tube. Substance. Mm, mm. Iodine solution. Boiled rice.
Yes.
Chewed rice.
Hmm. Chewed rice. What is the meaning of chewed rice? What is the meaning of chewed rice? Anyone cannot knows the chewed rice. Anyone can knows what is the meaning of chewed rice? Zohair. Where is Zaki? Zaki is not presenting. He is not attending the online session.
Yes, sir. Chewed rice means chewed rice, ma'am. Sir, Chaveru rice.
Yes, chewed means half eaten. Okay, आधे खाए हुए, half eaten. आधे खाए हुए means half eaten chewed rice. It's called a chewed rice and boiled rice. What is the meaning of boiled rice? Boiled rice. Boiled हुए rice means उबले हुए. Okay. Okay. Then after who is further? Okay. Now you understood all. Dropper, test tube, we want as a material and apparatus, substance, iodine solution. It's the name of one chemical, it's the name of one solution. It's called iodine solution. Boiled rice and shoot rice. That's all things we have to need in this experiment. Now you have to draw the figure. Okay, what you have to draw? You have to draw the figure. So now start writing all my dear students. Here you have to draw the figure. Do faster. Chalo. चलो जल्दी लिखना स्टार्ट करो and you have to draw it this figure with the help of scale and pencil, scale or pencil. Chalo, start drawing beta all my dear students. So do fast. You have to draw it now. And its image is clear, this figure is clear, proper.
Yes.
Okay, at least you give answer beta. Zoher and Fazil is not also give you a reply. Zaki is sleeping, John is Quran is all. You all my dear students, you all are sleeping. What you are doing? I don't know, but do fast and compulsory you have to give me an answer. Okay, chalo, start drawing. That image is clear. This figure is
Yes.
clear, beta. Yes, beta. Zaki,
Sir,
स्टार्ट किया बेटा ड्रॉ करना जकी
excuse me, sir. Yes, sir.
यस बेटा टेल
Started.
मी यस
सर
बेटा टेल मी
दो
व्हाट
कौन सी
टू
बुक में करना है?
यू हैव टू ड्रॉ इट इन योर फेसबुक आगे का सब कुछ तूने किसमें लिखा है बेटा इन विच बुक so in as per I was told you have to make a fair book so you have to go in a fair book ये एक्सपेरिमेंट का पार्ट है पूरा एक्सपेरिमेंट है ये चलो and do faster and after completing this lecture you have to send it me beta okay as far as like that you have to do it I'm drawn for you got my point all of you have to throw it the both test you okay my point as like that and it's drop it and you have to write note down the name here is Jude Rice got my points all of you so do fast all now
Sir, return.
written Zaki done after complete your lecture you have to send it me beta
Sir, in your one or Sunny sir.
yes what
We have to send you or Sunny sir.
you have to send it to Sunny sir
Okay.
okay he will check your work okay got my point all of you he will send you a sorry you have to send it to Sunny sir he will going to be a check okay all my dear students what I'm telling you chalo chalo got my points what I'm telling you compulsory you have to do it okay then now you have any doubt beta
No.
chalo so do fast those students are not writing please please it is my humble
The
request
work
you have to
is
do
done,
it
but no doubt.
okay chalo very good chalo Because my point says like that you have to draw in the figure in your book. Done all of you? Rehan, Amar, John, Hassan, Keshwani, Raza, Abbas. Are you there all? Done beta? चलो then after Asaria, Azim Shokia, Purani Mendias and Purani. Ramani, it are done all of you? Okay, done all? Hello, am I audible all? Zaki, Asaria, Zohair and Fazil.
Yes, sir, audible.
Done or better what? Done or left? So otherwise I'm going to be turn the page. Done all of you? चलो बेटा डन ऑल ऑफ यू सकी पंजवाणी
Sir, 2 minutes.
यस बेटा डू फास्ट ना बट
Sir, my work is done.
यस तो हरियाणा वेरी गुड बेटा व्हाट्स योर फुल नेम बेटा हरियाणा
Haryana is Abbas.
यस गाजी टेल मी बेटा
My work is finished.
ओके वेरी गुड बेटा ओके चलो so now we will going to be write the procedure what we have to write we are going to be write the procedure okay so attention all my dear students. And those students are not replying, I am putting it absent. So start writing with me, all of you. Chalo. First, the first point is what? The first point of the procedure is what? Text to test. What is the first step? Take to test tube. Test tube. Label them Label them capital A and capital B. A and B. Okay, and then after that is the second point. Chalo. Then after we will going to be write the second point. What is the second point? In second point in the test tube, in the test tube A, put a 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon teaspoon spoon of you are writing all my dear students of
Yes,
boiled
sir.
rice. Boiled rice. Boiled rice means beside boiled rice, what you have tried? You have tried to cook the rice. Cook. Okay. That one word is what? Cook. Cook. Cooked rice. Okay. What you have to write? You have to write these things. If my point all of you, do fast all of you. Just minute all. Start writing that 2 points better. Yes. What Asarya?
Nothing.
Done this both point. Zaki, better done this both point.
Sir, wait,
Done
second
this
number is left.
both point done though. Chalo. So we will move on for Zaki done beta. Haryani Zaid Abbas beta done Zaid.
Yes, sir. My homework is done.
No,
Okay,
sir.
chalo. So we have to write the third point.
Sir, બીજું બાકી
What you are doing? Do fast.
હું લખતો જ તો. Okay, done.
તો હું તો હું શું કરું?
Sir, done.
You have to write the point number 3. In the test tube B, keep a 1 teaspoon of boiled rice after a well stewing. So the third point is what? The third point is in a test tube B, keep one teaspoon spoonful okay, in the test tube box B, keep a 1 teaspoon of boiled rice of boiled rice after well stirring.
Sir, yes, word, but work is done.
So now we will move on further the step number 4. Zaki, you are writing it as Zaki. Add 3 to 4 ml of water in both the test tube. Test tube. The test tube. Further is what? The test tube. Test tube. Got my points, all of you? Now, after complete your 3 and 4th point, we will going to be move. We will going to be right the 5th and 6th. Okay, what is the point number 3 in the test tube B? The test tube B, keep 1 teaspoon or a spoonful of a boiled rice after a well stirred. Fourth, add
Sir,
the 3 or 4 ml of water in both test tube. Yes, beta who?
sir, yes, word, but work is done.
Yes, very good, beta. Chalo. Very good. Yes,
Sir,
you are writing or done? Yes, very good one.
sir, in number
Yes,
4,
beta.
last one, tube will come. It is tied.
Sorry, huh? It's tied. It's written tied because of that both bodies mixed test tube. Now it's clear. Okay, now it's clear, beta. Thank you. Chalo, it's done, beta. All do fast because of no time. We have no time. Okay. All my dear students,
Sir,
do
my work
fast.
is done.
Very good. Hariyan is the bus. Very good, beta. Okay, I hope you have done all my dear students. Okay, so now we will move on further the 5th and 6th point. Okay, so do fast because of your no more time. Okay, and its explanation, it's all experiment. We will going to be so. We will going to be solved in the next session. 2 to 3 drops of iodine solution. Solution in each test tube and check well. Okay, this is a point number 5. And the last point now, observe the changes. Last point, observe observe the changes change change in color in both test tube test tubes. Because why we write the test tube as, because of we have to check this both test tube. Okay, only 6 point of the procedure. Further, we will going to be write observation and conclusion. Got my points? So you have to note down this observation and conclusion in the next session. Okay. So if you have to done a fifth and sixth point, so we will move on further observation and conclusion. Do fast, all my dear students now.
Yes.
And its explanation and its a full experiment will show. I will show in the next session.
So sir, the Zohar work is done.
Very good, Zohar Abbas. All about other students, please. Done or left?
Sir, done.
Sir, my work is done.
Okay, very good, Zaid Abbas. चलो so put heading over there. Okay. In the test tube A, in the test tube A, there are there no changes. What? No change in iodine solution.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. Yes, and then after now, just meet Supriya ma'am in test tube. In a test tube B, in a test tube B, the solution change. Yes, yes. Only we have to write the change in a blue, black, black. Okay. Its observation and this a full experiment we will going to be write in the next session. Okay, all my dear students. Okay, so now goodbye everyone, all of you, and thank you so much all. Okay, and in next session I'm going to be repeat also the observation and conclusion both things. Okay, and explanation is also left. Okay, now bye all.